I will tech you how to set up MetaMask Wallet on Google Chrome browser. MetaMask is a Web3 browser extension wallet for cryptocurrencies. It supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies. It is web-based wallet. It allows seamlessly move across sites. No new password for every site you visits. You can access any cryptocurrency-based Dapps with MetaMask Wallet. MetaMask is just an Ethereum Browser and Ether wallet. It interacts with Ethereum Dapps and smart contracts without running a full Ethereum node. MetaMask add-on can be installed on Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and the new Brave browser. It also allows you to store ERC20 tokens. First go to MetaMask.io. Click on Install MetaMask for Chrome. This will send you to MetaMask Chrome extension store in Chrome Web Store. Install the MetaMask Chrome extension from Chrome Web Store. After installing, click on the MetaMask icon on the top right corner of the Chrome browser. It will open up MediMask UI, scroll all the way down and click Accept to agree MetaMask's terms of use. Secondly, enter a password, confirm the password, and then click Create for a new Ethereum account. This account allows to send and receive Ether, ERC20 tokens and also allows you to deploy smart contracts. Thirdly, MetaMask will now show you a 12-word secret recovery phrase below. It is also called seed phrase. Write this down and store it in safe. If you lose this, you will lose access to all your funds permanently. There is no way to recover your funds without this passphrase. In my example, it was country cram language woman settle define happy fatal orient order ensure atom. MetaMask confirms you to select those words one by one to make sure you wrote it down. It should be stored in a safe location, such as in a notebook or USB key kept in a safe. Fourth, click on All Done. The main screen of MetaMask will open as below. That's it. You've just created a new Ethereum address using MetaMask. Your address can be found by clicking on the three little black dots and clicking Copy Address to Clipboard. Click on Add Tokens to add any kind of token such as UNI for Uniswap or REN BTC or other hundreds of tokens not found in most exchangers. Fifth, now you can send Ethereum or other hundreds of cryptocurrency listed in MetaMask Wallet and convert to Ethereum or other cryptocurrency pairs. Sixth, you can buy cryptocurrency directly through MetaMask using the Buy button. You can buy ETH with Wire. Wire lets you use a debit card to deposit ETH right into your MetaMask account. Using Wire you can select card or use Apple Pay as of shooting this video. Second method of purchasing cryptocurrency directly in MetaMask is directly deposit Ether. If you already have some Ether, the quickest way to get Ether in your new wallet by direct deposit. Seventh, you can click on Send button if you have any cryptocurrencies in wallet to send it to any other wallet of the same cryptocurrency. You can send ETH to other ETH wallet addresses. Eighth, you can swap any cryptocurrency to any other cryptocurrency that MetaMask Wallet support. For example, click ETH as convert from currency and select any other currency you want it converted to that including Uniswap, UNI token. When you swap, you can customize the slippage. It tell how much exchange rate can go up or down to initiate the swap or exchange. You can customize the slippage to 1.5% from default 3%. Finally, if you're looking to manually set your gas fees, to ensure that your transaction gets confirmed fast and executed successfully, you can do so in the MediMask UI by enabling advanced gas control in settings greater than advanced. Please keep in mind that the gas price is what motivates miners to pick up your transaction and include it into the next block that gets processed, so your transaction is confirmed on the network. The more gas you use, the higher priority your transaction will have over other transactions. The gas limit is used to calculate the number of steps that the Ethereum virtual machine can take to process your transaction. If it's too low, the gas costs will get consumed before reaching the end of your transaction's instructions, leading to a transaction not being executed due to running out of gas. I will provide link to Binance Exchange link below. Please subscribe and hit the like button to let YouTube search gods know about this video. Happy crypto!